Hi there, Perfecto de Castro here and welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. One of my favorite high gain tones is now available in a pedal format. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the brand new Soldano SLO Pedal. Here we go. The Soldano SLO Pedal is based on Soldano's flagship amplifier, the mighty SLO 100. It shares the same set of controls, volume, presence, gain, and 3-band EQ, plus the deep switch that is accessible on the side of the pedal. The Soldano Super Lead Overdrive has been a long sought after high gain tone, and with the SLO pedal, you can now incorporate this tone into your pedal board. Now, before we dive into the knob tweaking session, here is a tune I wrote inspired by the Soldano SLO pedal. Enjoy. Okay, knob tweaking time. I'll be using my Sully Guitars 624T in Purple Sparkle, and I'm plugged into a twin reverb model in Amplitude. Squeaky clean with just a hint of reverb. Okay. Soldano SLO Pedal engaged. All knobs at noon. Now, even with all knobs at noon, you already get that familiar SLO tone. Though admittedly, the SLO pedal sounds a lot more compressed compared to the actual Soldano amps. And to open it up, we have to crank the presence. Even with the presence all the way up, it does not render it shrill and brittle, but rather it gives it a nice toothy presence that is flattering to the guitar. Though for me personally, I'd like to back it off to around 9 or so. Now let's check out the range of the gain knob. Okay, that's more than enough gain for me. I like it at around 8, so I can still clean it up when I roll down my guitar volume. Now let's check out the 3-band EQ. My go-to settings for an SLO EQ would be to bump up the mid, bump up the treble, and tuck the bass just a little bit. This is a tone that will cut through any mix. Now with this EQ setting, if I want to thicken up the low end without losing the tightness, I just engage the deep switch on the side of the pedal. Now, so far I've been playing with tones similar to an SLO amp's lead channel. However, I also love the SLO Crunch channel with the gain turned up. And here's how to get that tone with the SLO pedal. So we are going to keep the deep switch engaged. We're going to raise the bass. We're going to tuck the middle. And we're going to lower the gain to around 3 or 4. If you want it chewier, we can raise the bass, raise the middle a little bit, and even a lower gain setting. There you go. And it responds nicely to volume knob tweaks as well. Okay, there you have it. That is the brand new Soldano SLO pedal. It is now available through Soldano dealers worldwide, and if you want to get your own, please consider buying them through my affiliate links in the video description below. If you dug this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to ring that bell. And let me know what you think of the Soldano Super Lead Overdrive pedal in the comments section. Now click on an end card to go watch another video, or you can go grab your guitar and play something. You all know the drill. Practice makes perfecto. Cheers, guys.